Morning guys, September 14th, 2021. This one here I got a call for a leaking toilet down into the basement. So I worked for this lady before. She says the toilet's loose on the floor. So that's probably what it is, doing the old funky chicken on the toilet there. And toilet's loose as a goose and probably leaking down below into the basement. We're gonna go over there and see what's going on. We'll probably pull the toilet, or maybe even tighten it up. I don't know, we'll take a look when we get there. Usually if it's loose as a goose, that means the flange is cracked.
Turn right on American Legion Highway.
Don't want to be loose as a goose, mama. Oh man, that ain't good. That ain't good, mama. Anyway, we'll try to get some shots when I get there. Well, Miss Molly. Well. Yeah, alright, so we're gonna have to do something. The toilet's definitely the leak.
Oh, what is it? I was just gonna say when.
So once he's out of there, done shaving, I'll pull the toilet and we'll do something with that.
You're
Okay?
going outside.
It's definitely she's a leaker. She's a leaker. She's a leaker. Can't see shit without the light. Wow, thing's loose.
You need that light?
Yeah, leave the light on for me if you don't mind. I'm gonna have to pull it and put a new wax and see that metal. Can't just use the plastic. She's loose as a goose, mama. No metal washer on there, that's no good. Pump it out. Yeah, you gotta have a metal washer on there. That plastic is no good. No metal nut there. It's no good. Can't have that. We'll fix that. We'll put different. These are junk. Plastic horn's no good. Get rid of it. an extra nut on there, that's why. I don't know why they got that extra nut on there. Not sure why.
Oh, Steve,
Hello.
did you find that it was the toilet that was doing all the problems?
Yeah, definitely the toilet.
Is it the seal or something like that?
Well, what happened was they put the toilet on it and they put them plastic units on there, but they didn't put a metal washer on top of it, so the plastic broke. See it?
Yeah.
No good. So we'll fix it. We're gonna put a new wax, new bolts, and we'll fix it up for you.
Thank you, honey.
Okay?
Appreciate it. Appreciate it, because it's one thing we need is a toilet.
Yeah, you need a good toilet. Yeah. Certain things in life you just have to have.
Tell me about it. That is for sure. So is your truck running okay now?
Yeah, for now.
That's good.
For today.
Gee, let's hope it's more than
Yeah.
just one day.
You never know. Running good until it breaks again.
It's running good until it's not running good. I know.
Yeah, it runs fine, and then all of a sudden it breaks, and then it's like,
well,
oh
how old is
shit.
your truck? You must have had that for a while.
Yeah, it's like anything else. They all break,
Yeah, definitely.
right?
Yep, that's true. Nothing lasts forever, that's true.
You know. Nothing lasts forever, ain't that the truth? You got some spray I could spray this floor and clean this floor before I put the new toilet back down? Do some housekeeping while I'm here, ma'am? You got some fantastic spray or something I could spray the floor down with before I put the toilet back? I'm big into housekeeping, you know?
It didn't make a big mess downstairs, did it?
Nah, not too bad. I mean, it could be worse.
When I noticed it, the reason I noticed it is when I went down there one day and I felt that the rug was a little squishy. And I bent down and I felt the rug. And I said, Jesus, what's happening here? And then it started to drip, because somebody must have flushed the toilet. And,
Oh, give it your golden shower.
yeah. So I just put a bucket there. I didn't want the towel. Let me put you up. Here, you can use this, honey.
Nah, it's just quick. I'll just give it a quickie, you know?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so I just put the thing there quickly so that I could, so the water wouldn't continue to spill on the rug and get worse until I can get in here.
Just to kind of clean the floor up a little bit before you put the stuff down. I mean, it makes it a much easier, better job, right? Because once the toilet goes down, it's not as easy to clean it.
Yeah, and you know, it
Takes 2 seconds.
and from the day that I moved in here, I noticed that the toilet really didn't sit smoothly, straight. So it was always like a little wobbly.
It will fix that.
Okay, thank you.
We'll fix you up.
Now, do you know anybody that does electricity?
Yeah.
Because I've got they don't have any electricity in that front hallway, and I always wanted to get some electricity.
Yeah, I can give you guys name for
You know,
that.
a couple of outlets or something like that.
Yeah, we'll take care of that. I gotta get a couple of new plastic nut.
Yeah. Yeah, I just put some gas in the car.
I gotta put that on a certain way. I'll have to put the washer down. That's what he was missing, was the washer. Should be good now. That washer will hold it in. That's it. It should be nice and tight now. Coming through the floor. Might tighten the seat up. Seems loose as a goose too. She's loose as a goose, man. It's not even in there, right? Yeah, it's inside there, like that. Yeah, you had issues here for sure. Yeah. That's a Home Depot special right there. Glazer Bay. Yeah. That's the guy that flipped the house. Remember the shit job he did on the boiler downstairs? He did the same job with this.
I'm sure he did a slim job with every single thing. Believe you me, you have no idea of what I have found.
That's what you call a shit show. It didn't even have the tube inside here, so you might have had to flush it twice. Because when this thing fills, it fills with water to bring the water level in the bowl up, but he had this squirting in there instead of going in the right spot. I tightened the handle up, that was loose. Tightened the seat up, look at, I mean the thing's like brand new now.
Well, I mean, you know what, these are these plastic things, and every third day I'm tightening them because the seat wobbles back and forth.
Well, it ain't gonna wobble now. I mean, the thing's on the floor. What happened was he put those plastic washers on there, and then you're supposed to put a metal stainless washer on it and then a nut. Well, he didn't have the stainless one on there, so the thing broke.
No, he did it very, very cheaply.
Yeah.
Everything was cheap. I know it is. Even my friend tried to put
the mini toilet there too, huh? That's like a trainer?
Yeah, that's the trainer for her.
It's kind of cool.
She's pretty well trained. It's just that it makes it fun, I guess.
It makes it good for him, huh? So she knows how to go, and then they have to put like a lift thing in there for her. You fill it with water?
No, that's just you can fill it with water, I guess, if you want to. I don't.
Oh, so it's just a tray. Did she take a dump in there? No?
Yeah, it's just a sound thing.
Does she go in there?
Oh yeah, she does.
Yeah.
Eventually, I mean, she's not tall enough yet to get onto the big one. When she gets a little bit taller,